was one of those two. So I missed his hat-trick there. But then in the second half of the season, when Haaland went to the City ground, I didn't back him, and he blanked. And instead, I triple captained Rashford.
Doing a fucking dickhead.
No, Rashford got 24 points, and I captained Rashford instead. So the swing there, because I backed with Fox. I thought, no, I think we'll keep Haaland quiet, and we did. So
Use your mirrors, you dickhead.
So in the second half of the season, when I went with Forest, it obviously Forest got better in the second half of the season. It has almost done. I thought it was good. And that means Wyatt's going to go. And I think Wyatt is. I mean, Wyatt might be a good option under Spurs manager. I'm not sure if
Just if he goes to Spurs, after before the.
Okay, let's look at some prices then. I think we should look at prices first. These are the prices that you came up with. So this is your predictions then.
You haven't seen it yet?
No, I haven't. We'll do more of this pre-season. Right, let's go through it. Arsenal first of all. So you think Ben White will go from 4-5 to 5?
Yeah, and I think that has a.
Still, I guess. Gibbs White, it's a 6-5. Yeah, you haven't put Brennan on here. Obviously, don't think Brennan's going to be a factor.
Well, he's in that team, isn't he? I'm not sure we risk him.
Yeah, I think he's got.
And the fixtures are awful.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Not to start. Then Gibbs White's definitely the one to go with. I think if Danilo comes in at 4-5,
Fucking idiot.
I think he's
Tosser.